Good morning, children. We'll continue with our chapter that is 5, India's Heritage of Science and Technology. Now we'll continue. We have studied about science of medicine and surgery on page 38. Now on page 39, as usual, as I say you all, please keep your finger when I am reading and try to understand what I am explaining you all. Now we'll study about mathematics. How the people of our country has contributed in mathematics, and people all over the world have followed them. Very important, and this is also your 2.1 answer. 3.3, 2.1, both the answers are here. It has been marked. If you see this, ध्यान से देखो, आपको दिखाई देगा. Many epoch-making mathematical discoveries were considered to be made in India, through which contemporary global affairs are carried out. Some things which have been discovered have been considered all over. It has been made in India and have considered all over the world. The gifts of India to the world are discovery of zero. Zero, that is the gift of India. Decimal system, algebra, theorem of Bodhayan, geometry and arithmetic. Aryabhatta discovered 5.6. If you see this picture, Aryabhatta, he discovered zero. The process of writing zero after figures was discovered by the sage named Gutsamad. The ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the names of the numbers made by placing 53 zeros after 1. Decimal system have been seen on the measuring and weighing instruments which have been found from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It had been acknowledged by Medha Tithi during ancient time. See, this is your 2.1 answer. That means before that, zero was, till when the zero was discovered, people may be having some different calculation. We can't even imagine without zero. Even if you see 10 rupees, 1 0, isn't it? So there are ample of zeros have been put and the figures have been found out. See, by placing 53 zeros after 1. And before that it was not. Decimal system, that is of measuring and weighing instruments, have been found where? In Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. तो सोचने वाली बात है कि हमारे देश ने सारी दुनिया को क्या दिया. Bhaskaracharya has written books Leelavati Ganit and Bij Ganit in 1150 AD. He discovered science of addition and subtraction. Brahmagupta introduced the types of equation. Bodhayan discovered theorem, triangle policy. Apastambha had decided the measurement of sacrificial pits, Yajnavedis, used for Vedic Yajnas in Shulva Sutras in 1800 BC, यानी ऑलमोस्ट 5000 साल पहले, 4,500-5,000 साल पहले जो यज्ञ होता है, हवन होता है, अभी भी करते हैं हम लोग, उसका कैलकुलेशन, उसको कैसे बनाना है, कितनी उसका साइज कैसा होगा, दैट हैज़ बीन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द सैक्रिफाइशियल pits, that is Yajnavedi, is being done in 1800 BC. It also consists analysis of principles. Aryabhatta had mentioned the value of pi. तुम लोग पढ़ते हो, तुम्हें पता है, 22/7, that is 3.14, in his book Aryabhatyam. He also propounded that pi is constant to show the ratio of circumferences and diameter of circle. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, etc. Astanga method introduced by Aryabhatta in his work. Hence, Aryabhatta is known as the father of mathematics. Moreover, he had written many other books like Dash Gitika and Aryabhatyam. He also described main principles of astronomy in short in his book named Arya Siddhanta. You see, you have to remember this. This is your answer, children. It is also in 2.1 and 3.3. See, Aryabhatta is known as father of mathematics. He had written many books like Dash Gitika, Aryabhatyam. He also described main principles of astronomy in his book named Arya Siddhanta. He found the solution of fundamentals of mathematics, that is arithmetic and geometry. Apart from this, various aspects of mathematics have been discussed by many scholars in their books. Amongst them, the scholars like Bodhayan, Apashtabda, Katyayan, Bhaskacharya, Brahmagupta, they are included. And if you see this, page 39, you have to remember this can be asked in short questions, maybe the MCQs, blanks, and other like methods of following. So please, you have to remember this. Many books were written on the various sciences in the ancient history, other sciences. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Prajanan Shastra, Brahmavya Panchal, Chikisa Sangraha, Chakrapanidatta, Kama Sutra, Vatsayayan, Vruksharvedra, Maharshi Parashar, Yoga Shastra, Maharshi Patanjali, Yantra Sarvasva, Maharshi Bharadwaja, Kalagananana, Shakmuni. Now turn to page 40. Astronomy and astrology. Astronomy is the most ancient science. Many works, grantha, related to astronomy had been written in India. An organized and deep study of astrology was made by Indian ancient universities. Planets and their movements, constellations, and other celestial objects were used for calculations through which astrology and astronomy were developed remarkably. You all are studying this as soon as you have started studying science from your lower classes. You all know about this celestial bodies, constellation, movement, about sun, other planets, solar system, and many other things. So predictions were made on the basis of planetary movements. Aryabhatta made a remarkable contribution in the field of astronomy. So the first Indian satellite was named Aryabhatta on his name. He declared that the earth rotates on its own axis, and he proved that the basic reason for lunar eclipse is a shadow of the earth, which was addressed as Azarbhar by the scholars. In the same manner, Brahmagupta popularized the laws of gravitation in his book Brahma Siddhanta. This is your 2.2 answer. Next comes 2.3 answer as well as details about Varamihir was a great astrologer and astronomer who divided the astrology in 3 sections: Tantra, Hora, and Samhita. You have to remember this: Tantra, Hora, and Samhita. His grantha named Brihat Samhita gives information regarding effects of planets on man's future, his characteristics, various classes of animals, the time of marriage, ponds, wells, gardens, and good omen for sowing seeds. We should feel pride that our ancestors were experts in the various sciences. देखो अभी आप लोग को भी पता होगा, जैसे कोई नया घर बनाता है उसकी वास्तु शास्त्र की पूजा करते हैं, उसका टाइम हम निकालते हैं, शादी होती है उसका हम टाइम निकलवाते हैं. तो ये सब कैलकुलेशंस है एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज बीन डन सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम. दिस इज बीन इवन द टाइम ऑफ मैरिज, है ना. अगर किसी को कुआं खुदवाना है उसका टाइम, अगर खेत में बीज बोना है उसका टाइम, ये हम सही समय निकाल सकते हैं. दिस आर सेड टू बी अ गुड ओमेंस फॉर सोइंग सीड्स एंड वगैरह वगैरह. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू. और लोग है ना हॉरोस्कोप बनवाते हैं. हॉरोस्कोप किस समय पैदा हुए, कितने बजे, कौन सी जगह, सुबह या शाम, सुबह के 9 बजे या शाम के, उस हिसाब से उसका कैलकुलेशन करके कुछ आइडियाज़ हमें उसमें से मिल जाते हैं. दैट इज़ एस्ट्रोलॉजी. Now we'll see about Vastu Shastra. Just now I told you about it. There is an immense contribution of ancient India in the field of Vastu Shastra. It is an inseparable part of astrology. Vastu Shastra of India being recognized, dignified and praised by many countries of the world. Brahma, Narad, Vrahaspati, Bhrigu, Vasishtha and Vishwakarma have made unique contribution in the field of Vastu Shastra. They have propagated the principle of construction for dwelling temples, palace, अश्वशाला यानी जहाँ पे हॉर्सेस को रखा जाता है, फोर्ट्स, किले, स्टोर हाउस ऑफ एम्यूनिशंस जहाँ वेपन्स और एम्यूनिशंस रखे जाते हैं, टाउन प्लानिंग. द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ वास्तु शास्त्र इज मेंशन इन बृहत संहिता. Rana Kumbha of Mewar revived this science in the 5th century for improving the previous versions of Vastu Shastra. According to the traditional belief, Vishwakarma was the first architect of gods. This is your 2.4 answer, Vastu Shastra. He divided Vastu Shastra into 8 sections like place, like selection of place, shape, structure, proper planning of things, temples, ब्रह्मस्थान यानी जहाँ भगवान को स्थापित किया जा सकता है, डाइनिंग रूम, बेडरूम, एक्सेट्रा. As the time passes by, changes are taking place regarding the principles and understanding of Vastu Shastra. Now it is being adopted by the foreigners also. Ancient India knowledge of science have been accepted by the world. Indian culture is very vast and heterogeneous. It is blending of science and religion. Traditional ideals, practical knowledge, which is rarely seen in the other countries of the world. It's a big combination, blending of science, religion, traditional ideas, practical knowledge, which is seen in India. Tolerance and equality towards all religions is seen in our culture. This is very, very important, children. Earlier also I have told you all, India is a place where all the religions are followed, and we Indians have that quality of tolerance and equality for all the religions which are seen in our culture. In spite of having diversity in religion, lifestyle and values, we see unity in our country. So we should be very, very proud to be an Indian. We should not forget that Indian culture reflects unique features of unity in diversity. So my dear children, almost all the answers have been marked. You must see that. Particularly write down is the question, and I will be also giving you the details of each answers on page numbers. It has been marked, so write down the answers in your notebooks. Prepare well. Thank you.